King kudlala igame lematima bafana namuhla.
Yeah, iSouth Africa King i-divided namuhla. It's not easy. I-Southern Africa i-divided
Southern
namuhla.
ngakena ukuthi kunabantu King labantu abanebulukhuni namuhla kunabantu abathi uthrashwa.
Nemindeni King leke ilale lamhla ngeke kudliwe.
Kunemindeni lekuneke kulala kudiwe ngeke yabona
Uma ukwatile King, like everything will stop.
idliwe i-Chiefs.
Indliwe i-Chiefs or idlile i-Pirates, so everything must stop. La khaya nje ngiyanibona ngasenicaleni ekugcelela.
Hayi mina ngicabanga King ukuthi sekusewumjida lo Favy Chiefs kufanele angasakwati ngekudliwa kwe-Chiefs.
Mawufika i-Chiefs King funa senu-understand ukuthi into ethi, oh, khona ibula ngento leyenteke.
Ngifuna ukuyicedzela la King ngifuna ukuyiminyela. King ngicabanga ukuthi amajida eku-Favy Chiefs bafana kufuna angasakwati nakudliwa i-Chiefs because i-Chiefs is like some daily bread type shit uyabona. Uke wayithatha na i-podcast yalaChongo, uyamkena laChongo?
Chongo wena ukhuluma ngani?
Ukhuluma nge-life yakhe khona nomfrobe kaJoyana Zuma King. Okasidudla nje ngathi ugcine saku-Real Housewives of mina kumasho kuma-Real Housewives angikwati bafana.
Akusibona umntwana lo King lo wagcina waya letulu le-Nigeria lelisonto heavy.
Kungaba nguye King. Unako lokuba holy yabo.
No, akasesiholi King walimala but ngiyakhumbula usinaye loyo wakwaJoyana Zuma naye. Wenta njani ini i-sit down podcast ukuthi niyahlala nikhulume ma-guests?
Uhlala esitulweni yena King. Kunalokunye kwa-Ghost Lady ngale lokumbuta le mbuto bese uyakhuluma nje uyanaba.
Kunani lokwa-Ghost Lady kuyavela noma vele ku-Ghost Lady vele?
Akuveli ufa lesingisako nje ngiloko bantwana lokunamathwenge uyakubona lokuma lengisa kubo private school leta abantwana leta.
Siyabathi labo King, nalaba bakhulumela empumulweni.
Labo khulumela likhona King
Ngiyababona labo King laba bakhulumela empumulweni.
likhona kufa kushanga lethwenge ngale King kuba kuse but uthi sometimes ithwenge ngibona bamathwenge now especially na ungamboni na uva le voice bafana umva ngathi konke lokwentile empilweni yakho beku-wrong uyabona like you were let down.
Uyamangala and in most cases again amasobona nobuso King so transfer ne-turn ngathi say fuck shit up into sea.
Kuba kanjalo but nje asathi but it's a fly podcast ngingakukhuthaza ukuthi umlalelo from with an open mind uyabona because now utomlalela nje ngoba sinje thine neke nibucethe belishow King but now with an open mind uyabo khona la ningafika khona.
Ukhuluma ngani King why ungiprepare? Why do you feel the need to prepare me?
No.
Why you feel the need ukuthi out nginarishe before we approach the situation?
No, okay, mina to be honest when I came here the podcast yakhe because from ukhuluma just ngempilo yakhe dog from the jump yabona like ukuthi wakhula njani wadibana njani namsholozi yabona basomana njani bajelwa njani mfana yabo tonke lento leto that is it's part of the show but sometimes uthi uyakholwa yabona uyakholwa sometimes
mina yapi ngilimala kuphi ngabantu abakhulayo ngithi inkinga nabantu abakhulayo akathembi mina ngiba nenkinga nakhona ngathi lento one especially makupreach ukuthi kufuna ngathi siyapreach-eka nathi ukuthi kufuna you understand or ngalesikhathi lakhona sengalimitology ukuthi ngalelanga siya ezulwini yabona ngathi singakhuluma ngalokholwa ngathi kungaba yi-part of you but kungabi into lephushako kube anginenzaba noma mangabe khona le-podcast ukuthi inkinga mangabe ngiyathi vele ngiya ezulwini kuhlupha ngalesikhathi lakhona ngithi ngitenje for ukuthi ngifolozi uyabona wangena njani lana bese ngathi nami ngiyashiya King vele angikhona ukubukela ngiva ngathi ngiyadidisiva.
ngako bafana ngithi kufuna ngikuprepare ukuthi no, it's not ukuthi uyashumayela per se yabona akashumayeli, but like i-world view yakhe ukuthi like sometimes uNkulunkulu yabo umtshela tini, sometimes uNkulunkulu umbonisa tini le nto.
Yakela ukuthi-ke mina ngilimala lapho King ukuthi kuse phela ngiyo le nto King liyangikhawada mina ngikukholwa kuse ngayekele naloko kukholwa dog like phela mina ngasinziswa dog like I think for a year, full year, and ukusinziswa kwami bekasilo ukusinziswa nyana. It was me committed to the church and to Christ, and my idea was I really want to meet this nigga. Uva labafundisi King abakhuluma ukuthi last night I spoke to God and God said to me. Bengiyile level leyo mina sekuse ngifuna kufike level ukuthi God said to me. Ngitshele bambi, you understand? Because I believed kuse ukuthi kusinziswa khona ukuthi khona vele kukholwa uyakholwa mbamba isebenzweni. So it's again I was umlo ngabe King uyathi or longathi komne before uyathi that nigga was in for real. Bengikholwa mbamba mina.
King mina ngativa
After
ukukholwa kwakho kuse.
That shit was famous dog. Phela mina was wilding yabona. I was off the streets. So emachita estradini ngeyihlala King ngathi sekuse dog, it's a killer. It's lo mchita hallelujah yabona. But the idea was for me vele ngifuna lo mchita khulume nami face to face. Dog me every Sunday after church bengiphuma ngetatsini entsabeni. Ngothandaza King. Ngizila King ngifuna the out khulume nami straight. After ngayibona mina le nto sekuse. Nebantu engichila nabo ngikholwa nabo mara bona sebathi God spoke to me mina nami sengakhuluma kimi. Or lo mchita unema favors or unema ukuthi lona ungcono ngizokhuluma na sling or sling, you understand ukuthi okay ngizobakhetha dog that in fact ngithule masangane research ngabona bengidlala vele that I was delusional.
Manje King kuze like kuze uqala khona because mina yangithatha by storm le nto.
Like it's nami ngithatha by storm dog. Like safanana mina nawe.
Kwendekani kahle nje
Lokuthi ngizekholwe.
Because for understand the King ukuthi angithi mina yabo mina bafana nginenhlanhla ukuthi ngikwati in the before yabona in the ngikwati ke mina your Old Testament times yabona like
Wetana ukuthi except dog I think the time baku 2001 2007 yeah 2007
it was 2007 because mina bese ngekho eNazarene.
Then it was 2008 because when I worked in Nazarene 2008.
It was yeah, it was 2007 because mani kubeka le picture King mina kugcina kwami bafana ngugcina sendi kubona ukuthi kuse like because I didn't understand the picture yonke ukuthi kwendekani, bengathi nje ukuthi uyawayila but bengingadi le extent ukuthi wayila kanganani.
Like ukhuluma about the street.
Ngikhuluma about the street King netimo nje ukuthi ti move fast kanganani because when a King netinto botende sicela officially leti ngendiko.
Oh like ipema and stuff.
Ubhema ngemvume King bone I think you had a license to kill in fact. Bone license ukuthi
yes, I had to go and apply for it. The staff room.
Ukuthi
smoke.
To smoke bakuvumela. I remember one particular thing le nginasengicabanga nyalo sengiyibona ukuthi it must have been ukuthi bowayila mbamba ukuthi sike sendi distract nekuthena abenkansi yabo bayithusa nangibuka like le screenshot. Sike sendi distract King nale out sayidlala sekubeyidlala ikhona le out but kuthi move le yayenda kwangithusa lokho ukuthi hey I don't know ukuthi when
I guess ayibamba inkunzi nalizo namkhulu. Ayibamba inkunzi out leyo after the
allegedly
after this track King some shit happened yabona like bengihadi leyo level leyo King uyatena ke but I think i-fear dog yabona ngaba paranoid ekuseni. Ayikena izolo ekuseni ukushaywe paranoid ekuseni.
King, phela vele.
Yeah, ngaba paranoid mina King ngicathi hayi no sengikhwebukile sengiyahlanya. And thinking about it, I did my primary school in Nazarene, Christian. I did my high school in Nazarene, Christian. My mom, granny, Christian. Vele ngiliKrestu la nhloko. So the only way to run to church. You understand?
Ukuthi nabukene nale fear lelo ubukene nayo.
And they inkulu King lele idzabula sifuba yayitela le fear leyo. Like ngikhuluma nge-fear literal like gi. And ubona into King Mohai. Like I saw shit.
Beti kuvuthele mbamba.
Betingivuthele heavy dog. Betingivuthele heavy. Yabona?
Bet bangat spike King. Khona nyela bat spike ngama perfume nanani phela.
Spikiwe letiya King. Okay, so we get to that ngalinye ilanga. Ukuthi bethi kwentekani ngize ngifike lapho ukuthi because I discovered that shit later. Yabona? So it bit inspired. Letiya bit inspired, yabona?
So,
Ayikho King. Kani lo Makenyoni besekakile angivakashela yabona?
Makenyoni Thishela.
Besekakile angivakashela Makenyoni King. Wangiprepare yabona ukuthi hayi wena mfana ngibone liphupho ebusuku yabona kwavela wena sokufuna ngikhulume nawe yini inkinga yakho wena and yamkela me King bengforward ukuthi into bengifihla mina siyaphuma phela siphuma King wangibitha Assembly Square wasingifuna Mbuso Malinga Assembly Square ekuseni kusengayiwe emaklasini ngathi mina ukuthi ngiyo ngaphuma naye siyaphuma siphume egedeni yebo igede lingale hayi lingaseNazarene Primary ligede lingale lelikhulu
Ngiyabona le kuna main gate.
I think ngiyi-main gate le.
Ngiyayibona yes main gate King.
Ngiphuma siya kuphi King siya eNtamaphila. Siyahamba sakhuluma la ndleleni uthi ngikhuphile ini yabona uthi yena yini inkinga yami. Ngithi mina kude inkinga lengaba nayo yabona especially lenga affecta wena. Ngaphandle ukuthi ngiyabhema. Athi ya. Lokho ke mfana wami yabona. Sikhulume ke ngalokubhema ukuthi kuna kunjani ukubhema uyabona kuyalimatana kanjani izolo idle ama-cells ma-brain cells you understand so uyabona ini hey wangithekele abahozi laba bethi ngibhamlile mangikhuluma naye hayi ngibuka ngimuva yatena ngiva ngathi ngihambe emoyeni ngihamba naye you understand ngitshela mntu manje nathi yena hayi kunema-programs lakhona emaphoyiseni kunama-programs emaphoyiseni angibona King wathi kuma-programs emaphoyiseni emo-rehabilitation bakunika maybe ama-therapist believe uyabhiliva lokho
King I think imneka ngwane ungaba trap emaphoyiseni like ukuthi
uyabhema
trap isuna khokha leligwayo what I feel i-therapist King lamachita lawa King onke ayikabi because sinalo hlobo emaphoyisa lethi ngeleta King tidzinga i-therapy tona uyabona why bangati nakunjani bone ma therapy yaso.
That's why ngayishaya umoya King mina kusemaphoyiseni kangona King kuyakhona ngagcina yabe singokwenza i-affidavit ukuthi ngilahle ikhadi lasebhangi otherwise ngaba ne-experience lebhedako vele nemajita King setshelwe endlini basibambe inkunzi yakena singafila ngathi ngimesigebengu King yakena kusengathisola sibeke kwendani emaphoyiseni
lokuthi bakugrile ngathi like nguwe lo logangile betkule tinto benenjani
and nginemkhondo ngisesigebengu usukuphi
hayi wena
ngikukhomba yeah but ngafila ekuseni ngakhuluma ngathi sele sinivale kuqala siyekeleni vele ngisigebengu mina ngimi lo tebelele tinto leti I stole my shit from me besibuko bani
no phela bafuna ukumixe ngegenge
ngiyibone msebenzi ngeke ngisebenzele bema-therapist and ngibone seyibhemile lokhu sengimtshelile mina ukuthi vele kuyangishela seyibhemile lamalanga lawo you understand ngisuke lapho ngasikhathasa kwakhona yini on the same week because bekuhlala bophephisa nabo ngosibona King bekuhlala kugunya something
mbayani
something was smoking every time kugunya something shift nge-office ngasi the same week mina nge-staff room ngiye kumtshali ngimtshele kusedogane ayatiyasha mina and ngine-problem ngifuna ukuthi nisikole ningisike, yabona? Wena doesn't fit lapha e-ofisini, angikhumbula doesn't fit.
Ngiyamkhumbula.
Kusho umntwana, ya mfana wami, uyathi, what you have to do, you have to reduce, you see. If you're smoking 2 joints, you have to smoke 1, then you go to half. Yabona, kunginika angisho phela bathi bekubhema lo, ngemva ka-50 mina basibuka bekubhema e-college lokwamtshana.
And except for sure consider kubhema beku-scandalous ukuthi phela lo mjida lo uyabhema. Nathi sikhule ku-scandalous ukubhema yakena.
Basibe ku-rebel king and ngicabanga bathi bekubhema e-Bible school.
Hayi wena.
Wenzani?
Ushisa imvorwane noma like kushisa.
Imvorwane heavy king wena. And I think bamjida king bekenda kahle because I think e-Bible school you have to smoke that shit, dog. You need to.
Yeah, kuze ube grounded. Kufuna unakhunjani king because lapha bakbombata from all directions yabona.
And most of these figures they basebhayibhelini mawufunda tortawo, most of them mangabe beyakhona namanye akhona beka-high because some of these cats king bekabona thatha ledvuthako, you understand, akhuluma ne-levi, you understand, bebakhuluma ne-levi nelithide, so
libonwa nguye kuphela.
dog.
No, it had
ngitshela lo mjida king ukuthi hayi nginkinga leso, athi lo mjida hayi kuselalela yehlisa ntwana, every morning when you come to school you talk to me, you come to my office, we discuss the issue, I see ukuthi okuyiphi level, you understand. Bese kukheka kumtshali mina ekuseni ukuthi ubhemile ngithi uyangibhemile mara ngibheme so half, hayi lamhla ngibheme yabona. Bese ngathi bese ngilicense ukubhema bangibamba lapho lamalanga lawo king la ngibamba khona lento leya. Lesayikhuluma nganye ilanga king, ngibamba lapho le high leyo lethithe leyamfikela king, yangijabulisa Jesu fast.
Eish akuse. Yeah, ngathuka because mina wasn't ngathuka nangiva king and ukufuna uku-understand king ukuthi bengijealous nyana because nami nguye lo mjida king ekuselo lobekanazo sifiso yabona like isifiso communicate nengosi kuba close engosini bekunaso isifiso leso angifuni ukukuyenga bafana and akuzange kuze kwenteke, so then I reconnected nawe nasesikamhlushwa.
Oh yeah, wena akela sona wanginyamalalela dog, like wena wanginyamalalela mina I don't know what happened dog after kuhamba nini esikolweni, like after 2007 manishintshane nonke amajida kuba ne-gap lethithe amajida angawaboni kusefu like angathi kwintikani like what the fuck, ngaba ngedwa nje isikhathi esibhanti kuse ukulingani bakuphi angathi next kuse angathi nokuthi use-Waterford wena
hayi wena
angena kwathi kwamhlaba wena ngathi mina sofika kamhlushwa kimi ngazuthi
hayi kuse
ngazuthi but yeah, somewhere
vele besiphila kuma-dark ages lapha because there was before Facebook before bekukhona but bekungasi-common, besiphila kuma-dark ages but king the ages nje bo 2007 8 9 10
king asikhulume qiniso 2008 wonke mina ngizase ngikubone wena,
but ikhona king la wafika khona wena ngathi joined man awukakwafika emzini kule period leyo.
Ngake mina ngisho Mbabane king angazi sengikubone wena Mbabane by that era usesemnangzana ngusamdeja konke le era leyo ngiyacocela king usekusebekubulowa amajida kabuhlungu ema-rap ngale angikeni yonke le history leyo again.
Actually na
ngibanjwe ngijeso mfethu, ngibanjwe nivi
nakubamba ngativa leti dumo leto king, and I think king ngekuphenduka kwakho yakena ukuthi baningi kakhulu abantu abaphenduka nabayo ngakhandla ukuthi nanyalo solo basakholwa.
Engibabuhlungu manje kusangathi ukuthi ngabakhipha njani se
ufuna kubalanza
ngathi ngiyabalaza king, banahlekile abantu king.
Hey but yabona khona kwaseNazarene king okay konke kukhona kustayela yabona, but ikhola kwaseNazarene king ku-extra stylish because bonke labanengi king labakholwa eNazarene nawungathi uyabalandelela king umfaka phasi e-microscope a-individual utambona ukuthi lo mjida king lo ukholwa style again.
King ukile wahambela ama-audition e-theatre
Ubona ama-performance
King kuba nama-character labantu eNazarene King ngazuthi ma-characters King kuse-theatre ma-characters lokukholwa yabona ukuthi yabona you need to take this role so that yabona role of Moses, role of Jacob and Isaac, you understand? Like besifana nama-acting bothishela ethu lebekakholwa by the time most of them dog they were actors, movie stars, you understand? Kuyi-role lokukholwa kufuna ukubona ngathi kuyamuva yabona akusiko kwenda
and a lot of them King I think by deserve a Oscar like an Oscar like Oscar award mina King I think the one guy lebengathi with two actually lebengasho with 100% certainty ukuthi lo mshita lo uyakholwa waqala King ngithwala yambona thwala Tisha wethu history Thwala.
Oh yeah. Hey, that was a cool dude. History teacher. That was a cool teacher.
That was a cool dude King and umchita lona integrity yabona like
umchita lona integrity Tori sakhe ngasibhekapha angeke mangathiwa sende investigation King ngaba nesibindi like just do it free
ungayiprovide alibi yakhe King mina lo mchita lo ngam-provide alibi I think lo mchita lo King beka genuine and bekanemshita we-integrity
mina angifuni ukukhuluma ngekuba genuine ngikholwa beka genuine yena
like yakhe yes is a genuine person lo 100% and ngumjita mina mancane King amasword I think akafiki 10 amasword la integrity le ngingadibana nawo empilweni like ngiyafisa King ukuthi ngangimo that guy is one of them Mr. Thwala lo wesithu umjita King lobekane integrity lobengasho ukuthi exemption lona uyakholwa and ngakubackup ngubulungu again
Tha
and le umjile King
ubackup ngani kwabulungu King khona
no bekungumjita King lona integrity okay ngathini is a man King nangathi nangimbuka lama actions akhe namagama akhe bekinfo yini yabona is not the type of cat longathi bengathi nangamlandzelela yabo kukhona info lotoyithola lebhacile lengasiyo leqinile yabona
yeah uphila straight kude ene ngaloko siBhayibheli straight
umjita King lophila straight ngingadi ke because bengahlali naye but ngumjita nje King and I think that cat King I deserve like a documentary of some sort because umjita lo i-legend kangwane Mr. Samuel Blunga King that's
it I think njengoba keep out there lenzaba le kuna kube ngisi-inspired documentary siyishoot ethini
funa siyende King I think within maybe ungaphela umnyaka lo kufuna sibe siyicalile just i-documentary ya Mr. Blunga bengingasho ukuthi ngam-backup King kuloko a lot of the other cats King njengoba ngikutshela ngithi mina I don't think the Oscars are a credible institution King banga award lamajita seNazarene Oscar yabona some sort because let's say
King hey a nigga is teaching us sathi kahle kusela classini ubhamula maybe 2
wemfana
dog sesenibele platinum squad next summer
King and those girls were young phela singafuna singakubalekeli lokho ukuthi labantwana laba King bebabancane kude umfana lomncane King lo ngajola nami
and the thing is lo mjita King bekamile pulpit ekusena Shumayela
yabona
so uyabona ukuthi esikhathini esiningi bothishela abacabanga ukuthi siyakubona lokho or siyakubuka lokho ukuthi ukukholwa kulempilo yakho akusiko lokusho wena you understand
lama acts like the acts of the apostles ukuthi
akusiso le script sase-theatre kukholwa yabona lokhu actor ukuthi yabona akusiko lokho yabona like yabona
letha King they deserve an Oscar yabona like yeah especially Nazarene King so angadi King kukholwa kwaseNazarene but a lot of the cats King let's us dibene nabo because siyahamba sidibane la tipotini yabona King you understand what uyabuka kuthini inceke
and yabona kuse muntu King sothi ivalele eboxini you understand because besingananginga nesitawuthi sakho thina uthi usinat it's not like isitawuthi sinjanjani but usuke wena wangena ekholweni noba hallelujah and ekholweni King asifuneki isitawuthi allegedly angazi but
ngalendlela King ngalendlela bastage ngayo uyabona like le miracle liwayini King bata angathi uyabona mfana asingayivule le can of worms
yeah
uyabona
i-can of worms like it was and asifuni ukuthi si-attack makholwa uyabona
attack we love them Kings mina nginehlobo tami nje some of the people dearest to me
owami ugogo wami bayakholwa labantu bakwami mfundisi wakholwa hallelujah Jesu but
hallelujah nami King I know ukuthi you may find it hard to believe but ngeSunday ngiye-Craig again ngiyathi ukuthi kuwe ngente ukukhanze
ukhanzi next ekusey again ukhanzi next King because ngiphile vele nebantu labakholwayo except like somehow King lekhuni lekholwa King le cheap ikhona lakithi that's why ngilo nale yabo because I've been programmed dog since childhood primary school high school I've been programmed I'm a Christian vele Christian family kuletini letentako subconsciously ebuclash lengathi bona nami because I've been full programming sekuthi le programming sene chip le virus yabona le virus ngiyo lesengivela kuyo nyalo hey lento le understand otherwise
no mina King sengicommitted ukuthi cultural yabona like ngilcrest culturally ngilcrest singakhuluma ngalokuthi la ma scriptures nebulukhuni ngekuwakholwa yabona la ma scriptures but nje mina cultural King ngilcrest yabona like i-culture yami I think
King mangabe ukhona mina ngiya aka-comment asitshele ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma nathi asinandzaba yabona singakhuluma mzalwane yabona
kunemakholelo amanengi King lasiwawisile wafana
ngifuna ukuyisa umuntu ngifuna nje siphasa ngitshele ukuthi ngiyabhetha ngani yabona ukuthi mhlawumbe ngilahlekile but ose kwenda nganye ilanga I think kufuna ngithole inanga kufuna ngizale Wi-Fi yami ibuye ibe fastanyana slow nya le Wi-Fi lena ngikamsi glitch sometimes lapho
we are glitch sometimes but like as far as le King le conversation flow bafana
dog ukuthi ngeke King I think kufuna sende ama-episode yabona sibe consistent sibone ukuthi sayithola direction kahle kahle yale channel yethu ukuthi
no itawuvela King with time but mina nje my hope wena King is ukuthi singathinta lapha nalapha in a way that over meaningful because kunemantwana King labe sikhona khona thina 2007 2008 mental yabona lo mjidalo na King basengamfundisi kutrap emafro yabona so and lama influence lawo aseda King labatamfundisa ukuthi akusey ifro way-trap so if thina King singakhona kufika kulo mjida loyo nyalo simprevent simprevent ukuthi akusey yakena ukuthi kude isidingo sokuthi utrap ifro akwendiwa lokho kubucaba and the locking people up King khona mnyamjida ngathi bamnike 20 yini bamnike 20 this week utrap umfato wakhe yabona so mina hope yami King ilapho ukuthi akusey nasingakhona kuthinta lamajita lawo King kunama-fro King ba-admit ema colleges namuhla yabona maybe usuka le kubuduze lomfana usuka kubo Sipofaneni usuka kuphi King usatoye eMbabane akati King kuseMbabane kunema-fraud ekuseka again
akati kunema-actors nakhona yabona
King akati King kunabo David Blaine eMbabane like bendimilingo
kunabo Blaine ene ngalo perspective yaseSwatini yabona Blaine
he can walk on
water
he can walk on ngibahudini khona nabohudini King akena khona bohudini
bonke King nabo Blaine anamba emulator Houdini is the god
Houdini the original King
Houdini is the god
so khona nagatsheni umuntu akandlo ukwambona gatsheni
endale bakakhe bacanza labo King
bakakhisa bacanza King labanye ukati imali kuphi exa King bonke labo ba-imitate Houdini yabona lo mfana King usuka Sipofaneni usuka eduze usuka ngala kubonhlangana akade usema characters lawa akhona eMbabane yabona uthi naka lena King utele ukuthi hayi siyasomana sibonana nga-12 nangemfuleni king yabona. Akayathi king le Game of Thrones le imbabane la kaya khona yabona.
Imbabane king Game of Thrones. Neka abantu abahard imbabane ngeke usurvive lapha ama-week.
Aneke king survive na week. And a lot of people have a pass imbabane king because they're not prepared yabona. Thina king sikhule stegi igama lesestegi king is different ngeligama lasembabane.
Yeah.
Because igama lasestegi king lita nemchita lo rough. Uyambona ukuthi umchita lo nexe.
But again most cases igama lasestegi king belidutela kakhulu neqiniso.
Litford king ligama lesestegi king liqiniso but shift amagama lang 3 or 4 yabona.
Yeah, because the role is straightforward because ngiyathi kahle indlela ucabanga ngayo girl and uyathi ngifunani ufuna Mbabane king except Mbabane king is that's optical illusions like yo
ayikho lento loyibona ke again like ubona amabhilidi ubona atikho lento leto king takhelwe wena uyabona and this cats king Mbabane bawanokhe bafro again.
No, king. No, and the king ubona late ukuthi say I've been played. I've been tricked actually. It's time to get out of it.
And it's too late. Kumunile king obolova. I think that's the dangerous thing Mbabane ukuthi bolova basembabane king. Babo cheese boy ba fresh now dibana bola stratini bonke ba yabona.
Igama labo likhashana kakhulu leqiniso.
Likhashana king is not even anything you can ever imagine. Especially now engqondo ukuthi maybe usukalela suka khona thina. Awucabanga king ukuthi mina khona ifro ngake ngajola nayo king awona neke ngimusho ukuthi ngibani uthi lo fro asaqhubeka empilweni actually ngesikhathi ngicala kumsomo beka wasonywa ngelenye out king yamove fast kuye yabona uthi kwafika siswale out kuye wathi ekse uyadithanza inwena empilweni yakho ukuthi ungajolana nomuntu lona ufisene impilo yakho wena lokunye king master illusionist exay again
apho ke the king sibabona ukuthana ngoke this one
nango king dafuna sibuye king igama lasembabane because a lot of people bakubona late bangaku-understand ukuthi embabane king kunaboshaya yabona. Laba corporate baba screw exay again like on some yo dog
king yeah most of these cats king they're nice with it bakhuluma singisi uyabona sekuse bajita yabona like nice cats dog and vele mabuya le embadlana kuse eish you might
aneke uphasa so my hope king ukuthi lo muntu lo singamreacha king nyala sengangena college aware ukuthi ekuse la ngena khona imbaba
kunani kune Scott kunani
ya Scott king kune Christian
Queen
kune Limco kune Limco lenye minefield king lenye minefield kune Limco batofika lapha king bangade kuse manenge and above all king kufuna sikhansele nangumjita nang king lo selele embadlana le kuyifro yakhe
le akayivumeli lento like allow this thing to happen
because it's going king
and it's going to happen anyway dog with or without you so when are you riding along or we're the healer
allow to have
king
because when a king lomchita loyo we have to prevent him from becoming Floyd Mayweather yabona kule situation leyo because
king itobe yabo exact nabo GPV eswatini yalo yobuya shaya umntwana
utobe yamtrabe king because neka understand ukuthi lo mfana ufikele kubobani lela kafike khona king and so and to be honest king nabo Houdini bakhona embabani again
bakhona king but there are few like the real ones the real Houdinis are very few dog actually good ngeke ngahlala naye again ukhona esikhosana like him
good I've met some very good actors and actresses embabane king laba actor
when I think Mbabane king you grew up in the better side of town Wena King uhleli in the better side of town. Uhleli nabo Houdini wena, but in your school days.
Yeah, King bengifunza phela nawufunza uTofford King ufunza nabo Houdini. Those are not akusiyo ama-fraud lawo King. Bangiyo
Uyabona
lento.
ukuthi like uhleli nabo mbaba King bantu yabona abahamba emandini yabona.
Yeah, leto King yakhona kuhambe kwemandi leto. In fact bayathuka nawungakhona kuhambe kwemandi wena ukuthi hawu kusewena awukwathi kuhambe kwemandi.
Because kubo King baphila khona kuhambe kwemandi. It's not something ukuthi beda trick. They're not tricking you.
It's authentic kubo. But also bese phela mina mbabana King ngiphile both sides of the tracks because now in the trenches ngengangena King.
Yeah, King, and for a while.
Ngangena King in the trenches.
It was not the dark one though. It was not the dark. It's King noma change baba. Athi sizalo baba longamangalo sise baba la.
Ngiyathathi King, ngeke ngadlula kuto again angisi actor King nengiclaim ukuthi ngeke ngaphila kula but ngeke ngandlula kuto King yabona. But lapho kude King yakana kusi lamathitha laphila kulendzawo letho King. Kude umlingo latama kwendo again. Baphila nje impilo le straight. Ngihamba King. Uyabona the was in the middle class, ngile middle class King le lama masters of illusion uyabona. King. Se-expose sikhuluma ivari King yabo because now King nabantwana King la batofika embabane nyalo and batova scammed.
And a lot of them, dog. And it's actually it happens yearly, dog. Like, but they say, young like, maswati mangane, dog. Like, we know each other. Like, so can I say, nabo Jay, nabo sa talk nabo Jay, nabo nanzana ne. What's what? Never think guru mo much. Oh, lumfalo ya. Say namgida nga. What? It's exactly yile na most. Like, it's mangana cool. Like, say swati, like, say especially the master kids la wa, social life. Babane. What is how? Say no. Bang very chill to say lumjo nango, lumjo pata, lumjo chabulo ya pota. It's a king ngana cool in babane.
Guna 2 degrees of separation King and baban. And it's in a King's pill and the mama scenario bafan. What call fellow King with it's pilling a snipe like say.
Assassin na machita. Like most of my kids, dog.
Assassin sniper King. Say. And
one of our kids, King, grew up to be a professional killer. And a ruthless one.
King, cold-blooded, say again.
He will remain nameless in this planet. He will remain nameless, King.
Yabona King nangathiwa sengingeni yekuqala ekugcina bafana. And ngitsinga muye umjida don't save.
Ngabita the professionals.
Ubita yona King leya is sinesithende ama sniper King la akathumi yakena ukuthi King mina sniper sami le ngisicabangako asikathumi.
No, King is not famous, King. He's not famous.
It's not
but he is famous around these boys. He's known lesekli yakhe ukuthi hayi nguye lo reigner supreme.
And King usifakile span amongst his yabona.
Asifakile span I mean ngimlo work ekuse. When it comes to that game, especially Babane.
Awuna King Mbabane ube weak kakhulu ekuse. No offense.
But yeah, and the weak King. And I had to be weak. You understand that there was no room to act tough and try to touch things that didn't matter over time.
Yeah, because King it game
it game King full ube na console, understand? Ube na le screen sekuyidlala, ube na ma megabytes la grade na le computer yakho moyidlala ngecomputer. Mangabe udlala PS5, ube na latest version, understand? And nalabantu odlala nabo enjoy le game. Wedlala igame King udlale yabona ngefoni lepheli battery, uchargisa, understand? Play the game.
And good to enjoy King kufuna ube comfortable King uyidlale nalabanye bangakhona kubukela King ube na sofa usisinye sihlole singakhona sihlale sibukele nasifuna kubukela nazo.
And game King udlala amabhorekile ekufanele usuthi usuke spare time futhi modlala igame angeke udlala igame with spare time usuthi and konke kugrind sengidlala igame. It's just one of those things. Akusi life igame.
And i-game king yaseMbabane uma ungasi fraud uyabona nje ukuthi mina king game eMbabane angase ngayidlala again. Like ngike ngaba nenhlanhla eMbabane like uyabona king kubanjelwa amadloti ukuthi ngike ngabanjelwa amadloti ukuthi but angase king ngadlala igame eMbabane because again angiqualify bafana. Igame yaseMbabane ifuna ubungathi ungaba yi-fraud somehow ube fraudulent yabona.
Kube nawo ma-king if ufuna kuba namagoli amaningi.
Kuba and like respectable.
La respectable king. Kube nemali king.
That is why amajita lamaningi eMbabane king ama fraud ngalokuthi neke udlala igame ngeqiniso eMbabane.
Ngizokukhumbula ukuthi satohamba eMbabane king.
Oh king mina ngisabi king ndabatshela fair emehlweni uyabona. Because bebangathi mbona ukuthi siyabathi game lebadlala ukuthi sidlala badlala game yini. Because asibathuki king sikhuluma lento leyendaba ukuthi sasita nabantwana abancane abathethana abantu baniqaphele ukuthi nini anilungi yabona. But hey king hamba bukela libhakabhaka bafana kuse iChiefs yami itawudliwa njengemihla nemihla yabona.
Itorte yethu king akupheli sina siyakhuluma kuzokuyosa nzanga yethu. Asilivalane liqephe. Bese sithi ngisho igama lale nyonyane yethu king.
Hey ngifuna ma war hero story yabona war hero stories.
Nasipele igama lale podcast nzanga yethu. Lokhu nje ngiyaku-editha lokhu.
Kufuna ngawubona nasesona king lemphumela yakhona but I think mina I'm happy except dog like I think wena bekufuna ube nenang u-podcast kadzeni bafana because uyaflowa uyakuyena bengingathi ukuthi uflowa kaso.
Yeah dog, I think I need kufuneka ngibe nenang lana. Actually angithandi the picture lena man. Angathi sitawubona kuse over time.
With time king.
Over time.
With time bafana.
Sitawubona over time.
Awe.
Futhi inkinga king ne.
Sure bafana.